Hey, good morning, guys. It is 7 o'clock on Thursday morning. Uh, yeah, pros and cons. I'm not there to give you the test. Oh, yeah, no test. It's tomorrow, okay? However, uh, I, I put all your grades in, and, there's reflection that needs to be done there. I inboxed all of you what your power school looks like and what your grade is. Several of you are missing quite a few assignments, and that's okay right now. I'm not angry. Nobody should be angry. So here's what needs to happen though. I need you to go in and do some of those assignments. The problem is that when this is just progress report, okay? This is just to see where you need to improve. So when quarter one ends November 12th, and those assignments are still missing, then your grade is going to be too much at that point at the in November to sit down and be like, oh crap, let me do all of these missing assignments. Okay, so I know that the first 5 weeks have been rough. Sometimes I'm there, sometimes I'm not there. We were learning Canvas together, and so there's some things that I'm going to work on as we move forward. For example, I think a lot of these assignments would be better if we were actually working on them during our Zoom. Okay, I think that it's not good to say, here, do this assignment and to let you go. So we'll work on things together more. I think that the number of assignments needs to go down. Okay, so when I look in Canvas and I look at all your assignments, there's like 20 assignments. So when you look at that, you're like, I don't know what to do. Okay, what I need you to do today, I need you to do some of your assignments. And there's a list of you. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of you that did not do your level set. And since you didn't do your level set, you couldn't do your achieve assignment. That takes priority. So if you see that you have a 0 for your achieve assignment, it might be because you haven't done the level set. You need to do that. If your grade is failing by tomorrow morning, then I'm getting a hold of your parents. And when I say failing, okay, there's quite a few of you that are really close. You're right on that line. If you don't do any of your work and you're still failing tomorrow morning, I'm gonna have to call, because I would be a bad teacher if I just let you keep going without getting your work done. Okay? Alright, so I'm sorry I'm not there, guys. I'm not angry. I just, we just need to work on some of the things that aren't happening. Okay? There are 2 students that, that are shining bright and turned in almost every assignment. I will not call those students out. Okay, I don't want you to be a hater because their grade is high and your grade is low, but just know that there are some students in your class that are doing excellent. I think that's it. Make sure you do your attendance form and make sure you vote for MVP. Let's see, anything else? And I'll see you tomorrow. Unless I croak tonight. Okay. But for the most part, I'll see you tomorrow with a test.